Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.8, Problem 18. This is Section 2.8, Problem 18. It says complete the computation, and we have 3 over 20 plus 1/8. So with the fractions that I have to add, the problem is that the denominators are not the same. So I have to make them the same. So in order to do that, I will rewrite the problem in a vertical format. I have 3 over 20, 1 over 8, and they will be added. Again, pay attention, this is an addition problem. Some are subtraction, so this will stay addition. Now, when the denominators are different, I'll start by asking, will the smaller denominator of, in this case, 8, divide into the larger denominator of 20 evenly? And it won't. 8 does not divide into 20 evenly. So then what I do is next take the larger denominator, which for this problem is 20, and double it. And then see if the smaller denominator will divide into it evenly. So if I double the 20, it becomes 40. Will 8 divide into 40 evenly? It will. 8 times 5 is 40. So 40 is my lowest common denominator. Now I have to just figure out what the numerators need to be. So for the upper fraction of 3 over 20, what's an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 40? Well, look at the denominators. My denominator of 20 times some value became a 40. 20 times 2 is a 40. So now I must multiply the numerator times the same value. The numerator of 3 times that value of 2, 3 times 2 gives me a 6. 6 over 40 is equivalent to 3 over 20. Now, same process with the lower fraction. My denominator of 8 times some value became a 40. 8 times 5 is 40. So the numerator gets multiplied times that same value. The numerator of 1 times 5. 1 times 5 makes a 5. I wrote 1, I don't know why. 1 times 5 for sure is 5. So now I have a common denominator of 40. And I can combine the numerators. This is an addition, so I'll add 6 plus 5 more. 6 plus 5 more is 11. So I got 11 over 40. And you should check, can I reduce 11 over 40? Are there any numbers that divide into both 11 and 40 evenly? And the answer is no. So 11 over 40 is the final answer.